different and what I'm clear is a window. And I can imagine the lake, come in here in the morning, the sun shining full through this window, come up here, up the steps, come onto the window through here, and look out across the interior. And we found no structures, but whether we have a garden,
The reason that they were talking up in here is that all that was there was garden, and we wouldn't see any evidence of that in the archaeology.
I think that this land's been cultivated extensively over hundreds of years since all those